All right, welcome. Lisa Schaefer here, Christian Drama Queen, with another lesson for homeschoolers who want to utilize lapbooking. So today what we're going to do is what I call a layer look book. Now I have lots of different colors here because I want you guys to be able to see this. So I'm going to move these. We're going to use 3 pieces of cardstock, and I'm not sure why I'm having trouble focusing. Hang on, gang. Let's try that. I feel like I need to autofocus. Hang on. There we go. Let's do this. Here we go. Let's try that. All right, so here we are at autofocus. All right, maybe that'll work. All right, so I'm going to pick 3 colors, 3 pieces of paper. This one is more red. On your screen, this one probably looks more gold. And let's use this one here. Should be 3 different pieces of paper. It's different enough that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. All right, so here's what you're going to do. Very, very simple. That's what I love about this stuff. So we're going to take these 3 pieces of paper. We're going to approximate so that we have a layer here, here, and here. Then we're going to take, I'm going to scoot this up so you guys can see. Then we're going to take our fingers, our hand, and we're going to fold this side, the right side, toward the left side. And we're going to leave enough space so that we create 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. And we're going to push and fold. And I'll take my scissors to make sure this is a very well creased fold. Okay, now this is a layer look book. So how do I keep this together, and what would be the reason I would want to use something like this? Well, first of all, anytime you do parts of speech, you do parts of a story, setting, time, era, genre, whatever, you have a way to keep track of those things, and you have a way to document under each flap what each thing is. Okay? The other thing you can do with this is just stuff that's fun. Okay, so let's do something that's just fun. I'm going to take these 2 inside layers. First of all, what you do to keep these together is you take your glue or your glue stick, and my granddaughter has stolen my glue because she was doing some of this today. But you take it and you run a very fine bead of glue in the crease, okay? And then you put them together. You do the same thing in here. A very fine bead of glue. Very fine. Doesn't need to be thick, okay? And then you've got space to write on. So let's do something fun with these. So let's take these 2 layers out. This is a small layer look book, okay? So let's say that what we decide to do is we're going to call this Things I Like to Do for Fun on Halloween, all right? Or Things I Like to Do for Fun in the Fall, all right? So we're going to take this, and you can use a pencil and kind of sketch what you want to cut out if you want to. I will be honest with you, I've done enough of this that sometimes I just freehand all of this. But for you guys' sake, I'm going to take a pencil as soon as I can find one in my office. All right, so we're going to take a pencil, and I'm going to sketch the shape of a pumpkin. Okay, so I would do this, and I would do, let's make it really big. We want it to be a big pumpkin. All right. I think that's pretty close to the center. You could do this at Valentine's Day, make it a heart, okay? And that would be kind of fun. All right? You can't really mess it up. You can't really mess it up, okay? Okay, remember, your kids are going to be doing this. This is going to be theirs to keep. So then I'm going to take and cut along my pumpkin shape here. All right. And then what do I got? I got a pumpkin. I'd make myself a little stem here, paste it right there. And then you can even do, you know, little shapes here. Let the kids color these in. Let the kids design it. Let the kids decide what they want their pumpkin to look like. Or their jack-o'-lantern, or whatever you want to call it. I know some people don't like to use jack-o'-lanterns. That's fine. Okay. So here we go. All right. Take yourself a black marker and color all of that in. I hope you guys can see that. I know my pencil's not very dark. Take yourself a black magic marker. Color all of that in. Okay. Do I have a black magic marker? Well, yes, I do. All right. Okay. All right. So you can title this Fall Fun Fall Fun Times. You can do whatever you want. I'm just making something up. Okay. All right. Here's this. And then within each one of these, I'm in a hurry because I don't like for these videos to be too long. But then inside of each one of these flaps is something that your kids can document that they do for fun in the fall, right? Okay? All right. You can be creative as you want, but these are all glued together, right? And you've got 4 layers. You can take your writing paper, which of course I don't have sitting next to me. Here we go. So what you do is you take your writing paper, and of course I would use regular size notebook paper because this is almost 8 inches across, and you would glue it down inside the flap. Okay, and they can write about their fall fun times. They can color, they can draw, whatever, right? All right, holidays that happen in the fall, you name it. You've got some flexibility, right? And again, this is a way for your kids to own their work and a way for you to share what they're learning with others, okay? Okay, that's it for today, guys. This is a layer look book, and you know I love ya.